is evolving, and so is spiritual understanding. Now more than ever, thriving means embracing your divine potential, fully, unapologetically, and in community. At Spiritually Centered, we teach unity principles, helping you deepen your intuition, understand metaphysical teachings, and apply spiritual law to create a life of joy, abundance, and ease. We are a global, online ministry, accessible anytime, anywhere, because spiritual truth isn't bound by location. It's already within you. Now is the time to thrive, to trust the divine within, to step boldly into your spiritual power. Spiritually Centered and Reverend Sharon Renee are here to support you with unity-based teachings, live classes, personal mentorship, and a welcoming community. Choose the level of support that meets your needs. This is your journey, your connection, your time. And at times such as this, you can be a light in the world. Let's shine together.